So the news story coming out of last week's race is this. Did Eli Tomac actually have an advantage because he could, quote unquote, see the gate operator move or whatever? Do you think he honestly got that good of a view out the side of his helmet that he could see this guy right there? I mean, you can definitely tell watching from this angle, especially in this slow-mo, that when he goes to drop the gate, his whole body moves. And yes, Eli Tomac does get an amazing launch from this, which we all know that he is not exactly the best starter. Normally he starts mid-pack and has just the staying power and the endurance to come back late in the race and just have a lot of speed. So the question actually is, did he get an advantage from this? Obviously, race 1, hole shot. Race 2, hole shot. Race 3, second out of the gate. Those aren't really that bad of starts. Obviously, that's especially in a triple crown format. That's especially what you want. And here it is, slow-mo again. Just the guy. You can tell right when he goes to press the button, his body does go. Whether you're supposed to put that much weight on the starter or you need to, who knows. But, I mean, you still have to say, you have to get, even if he did get an advantage from it, you still have to have really good throttle control, really good release of the clutch, really good, just bike control to keep it down. And then you still also have to have the pace and the endurance to win the race and not, overwork yourself or tire yourself out and lose. So the question becomes, in the comments below, tell me, do you think he actually got an advantage from this gate pick, from maybe seeing that guy, or do you think it's just pure luck that, hey, he just had really good starts this week, and, he just had good starts and a good starting position, because obviously this track didn't favor the inside gate picks like most other tracks do. So in the comments below, tell me if you think he had an advantage or whatever, and I'll see y'all later. Peace.